a videotape, so let's see if we can help her. Say, go, Connie.
Go Kenley, 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 go Kenley,
Here.
go Kenley,
You see what's in there?
go Kenley, go Kenley. It's a baby. Go Kenley, go It's a baby. Go Kenley, go.
What's in there? Look, look.
A bathtub baby.
Nolly, do you want to go sit by her? Go sit by her and help.
Let me see what it is.
What does she have? What is that?
Baby.
It's like your baby that was on the bike, except for her baby's in the bathtub. All right. Here, Connie. Open this one.
It's a big one. It's not a little one.
Can you tear the paper? Help her tear the paper.
I will help her tear the paper. Only because it's only stay by me. You have to watch these. I didn't want to birthday. Millie's just trying to help. It's a Noah panda bear.
It's a koala bear.
Happy bear.
It's a koala bear like yours.
Can we smell?
But she has a different scent.
Can we all smell it?
Sure.
Open.
We need to open it though.
Can we?
Kylie, will you assist, please?
Yeah, baby.
Opening this.
My dad doesn't like the koala.
Don't break the thing. Just.
Lucas just said it, Dad.
What?
My dad doesn't like the koala.
He doesn't. My goodness. What is the baby doing? What is she doing? What is the baby doing? Yeah. She taking a bubble bath? There we go. Conley, here's your bear. Uh-oh. Don't eat the paper. Yucky. Hold on to your bear. Uh-oh. Don't eat the paper. Yucky. Yucky. Don't eat the paper. Yucky. Hold your bear.
Okay.